Ready to look 10 years younger? These 20 shag cuts change everything. Classic wispy shag. Perfect for fine-haired women seeking instant crown volume and natural movement without daily heat styling. Textured Shaggy Bob. Flitters round faces perfectly by framing the cheekbones and drawing attention upward for an instant lifting effect. Silver-layered Pixie shag. An edgy choice for bold women embracing natural silver tones, while demanding maximum body and effortless texture. Curly shag with curtain bangs. Redefines natural curls by eliminating heavy bulk, creating a youthful bouncing shape around the eyes. Modern razor-cut shag. Provides an ultralight, feathery finish that dynamically softens sharp jawlines and conceals forehead wrinkles elegantly. Don't forget to mention your favorite style number in the comments. Voluminous wolf cut shag. Best suited for thick hair that requires strategic weight reduction, while maintaining a trendy, high-fashion statement silhouette. Medium-length shag with wispy bangs. Softly conceals signs of aging on the forehead, while adding structural symmetry to oval face shapes. Salt and pepper choppy shag. Enhances natural gray transitions with high-contrast, energetic layers that breathe youthful vitality into mature strands. Long shag with crown layers. Elongates the silhouette of mature women while preventing long hair from looking flat, lifeless, or weighed down. Asymmetrical shag cut. An artistic and modern style that shifts focal points, cleverly drawing gaze away from fine lines and aging signs. Don't forget to mention your favorite style number in the comments. Feathered shag for thinning hair. Strategically layers the crown to mimic dense fullness, giving low-density hair a significantly thicker visual appearance. Shoulder-Grazing textured lob shag. The ultimate balance of elegance and edge, ideal for women transitions from traditional bobs to modern cuts. Messy chic shag with micro bangs. For fashion-forward individuals looking to make a bold statement that highlights radiant cheekbones and expressive eyes. Blunt-ended shag variant. Preserves thickness at the perimeter while introducing shaggy interior layers for modern texture and youthful movement. Wispy face framing shag. Softens angular features and creates a delicate shadow play that beautifully contours the entire face shape naturally. Don't forget to mention your favorite style number in the comments. Edgy mullet shag hybrid. Combines rock and roll attitude with sophistication. Perfect for women over 50 who command attention and celebrate uniqueness. Soft layered romantic shag. Employs seamless blended transitions to give a soft, ultra-feminine aura that illuminates and warms tired skin tones. Razored pixie shag with side bangs. An ultra-low maintenance option that provides incredible structure, lifting flat hair without requiring tedious blow-drying. Beachy wave shag cut. Imparts a relaxed, youthful vacation vibe by enhancing natural texture with carefree, sun-bleached dimensional movement. Polished elegant shag. Maintains a clean and sophisticated corporate look while incorporating hidden interior texturizing for modern, age-defying flair. Don't forget to mention your favorite style number in the comments.